Hello, Miss Moreland's class. And so today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you scale factor. And so today my name is Jacob Seiler Schmidt and I'm excited to teach this class. So first I'd like to start off by showing you the definition of scale factor. So, a scale factor is a number which scales or multiplies some quantity. In the equation, y equals cx. C is the scale factor for x. C is also the coefficient of x and may be called the constant of proportionality of y to x. So what I'm going to be also doing today is just teaching you and showing you some different equations that you can use for maybe a review or some other time. So here I have my diagram, plot, whatever, and then say I have Whoa, that's kind of strange. Let me fix this. I will be right back. Okay, and now I'm back. And so, as I was saying, right here, say you have your right triangle. And please forgive me for my writing. It is not exactly the best. And then over here, you come over and you have a much smaller triangle. So what you want to do is you find the numbers. So say here you have 3, and then over here there is 9, and then down here it's a 6, and then right here normally you will have an x, and the problem will say solve for x. And while solving for x, you need to look at the two numbers that are on the same side. So that would be this 3 and then this 9. And so with the 9 and the 3, you find how many times 3 goes into 9. So in this case, it would be 3 times. And how you can also check is if you do 9 divided by 3, which would equal 3. And so then you take the 6 and you divide this 6 by 3, giving you 2. And so then x equals 2. And now say that you have your next problem. Here real quick, let me fix this. I am so sorry, my document is acting very strange today. And then, so, with a new problem, say you have a map. And the map has a scale of 1 inch to 15 miles. And so now with this scale of 1 inch to 15 miles, you're going to read the problem even more. So if two cities are 3.4 inches apart on this map, how far are the two cities actually? So we have 3.4 inches apart, and then so it's a 1 to 15 ratio. And so what you want to do is you want to make a table. So we see over here that it is by inches and by miles. So we want to make a table. So right here we know we can put IN for inches and then MI for miles. And please forgive my family's outside. So if you hear background noise, that would be them. And so for inches, we have 1 inch to every 15. So we put a 1 and then a 15 down. Oops. I meant a 15. And then we have 3.4 in inches. So how would I get from 1 to 3.4? I would have to times 3.4. So then you have to do the exact same down here. So then that means 15 times 3.4. And then that would equal... Okay, so I went ahead and paused the video and did the workout. So here we have our 15 times 3.4. So 5 times 4, that equals 20. So you have to put down the 0 and carry the 2. Then it's 4 times 1, 4 plus 1 would actually equal 5. So that is on me. And so then what I'm going to do real quick is I'm redoing this, and this equals 5. So then it would come down, you carry the 0, and then 3 times 5 equals 15, half the 5, then carry the 1. 1 times 3 would equal 3, plus 1 would equal 4. And then you have to add, and then this here would actually be a 0, and here a 5. And then, so then it would equal 50. So between the two cities, both of them would be 50 miles apart. So we have city 1, city 2. And that would be how you would solve for in a word problem. And I am going to real quick show you guys another one using a diamond whenever you are using the stuff, the shapes. So for the diamond, you have over here your amazing diamond, right? And then you have a smaller diamond. And So then, over on this angle right here, that equals 25. And then over here equals 50. And then down here is our x. And right here is 130 degrees. Can't forget the degrees. Whoops. And then, so we know that 50 divided by 2 would equal to 25. So then we would have to do 130 divided by 2, which would then equal it would then equal a total of 65. So this angle right here is equal to 65. And so that is all for today, everyone. And I hope everyone has learned what scale factor is. And so thank you and have fun during school time. And here is a fun little bunny. Fun little bunny, fun little bunny. Bye, everyone.